Good morning, this is Bella from Landpack. As a manufacturer with more than 12 years experience of packing machine and filling machine, today I will show you our factory and I will introduce our turn-head self-floor filling machine to you. Our factory has a professional engineer team, design team, and after-sale team, so we will provide the most suitable filling solution for you. And okay, let's look at this machine. Okay, this turn-head self-floor filling machine widely used in to fill water, juice, beer, milk, and so on. Most used in low viscosity product. And let's look at this filling machine. Here you can adjust this handle to suit different bottle size, and you can check all this machine material is 304 stainless steel and food grade, and this build is PVC food grade, so it's no problem to fill food and drinks. And here let's look at this filling tank. The filling tank volume is 115 liters. Okay, there is no function, and the filling tank will alarm, and the material will be pumped automatically. And if the material is up to this level, and also the tank will feed back to the machine, it will stop pump. Okay, let's look at this. Here is the sensor. When there is no bottle, the sensor will feed back to the machine, and the machine won't filling. And here is the handle to fix the bottle and to fill exactly. This turn-head filling machine speed is around 50 to 80 bottles per minute. Also, you can choose 8 heads or 6 heads or 10 heads. It just depends on your product capacity. It can customize. Okay, let's look at our control box. Here is the frequency convert. It's from Panasonic, Japan. This brand is very famous. And also this machine, PLC, is also from Panasonic, Japan. And this one is intermediate relay. And this one is the switch. Our electricity command part enjoying 2 years warranty, so we can promise our machine quality. Look at our touch screen. You can check this touch screen is very smart. You can adjust different any direction. Okay, let me show you the pyramid of the touch screen. Okay, you can change the language with Chinese or English, and let's choose English. And this is automatic. If you need to start this machine, just click this button, and if you want to stop, just click this button. And this one is menu. You can adjust and to change it different the pyramid. And here is the pyramid. The most important is the filling time from number 1 to number 10. Such as if you want to fill 500 volume product, maybe the filling time is 2.58 seconds. But if you want to fill maybe 250 volume, you just need to change the filling time like this. Change the fill time maybe 2 seconds or 3 seconds. It needs to test. So it's very easy to change the filling time and to change the different filling volume. Okay, let's start the machine. Okay, thanks for your time. If you have any question about our filling machine or our work machine and the flow pack machine, you will just need contact us with below information. We will provide our best advice to you. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.